Okay, so what's happened with Terra Luna Classic is absolutely insane. We are in the midst of a bear market. Pretty much all of 2022, we've been battling so many things. We're walking uphill pretty much all year long, right? With inflation, with a war going on, and just bad sentiment around crypto. And of course, Terra Luna was part of that story many months ago when the collapse happened to the original Terra Luna ecosystem, which used to be pegged to USDT. Now, the revival of Terra Luna may have been or may be a just as big of a story. I mean, it's absolutely astonishing, insane numbers. And I'm going to break it down a little bit in this video. And we're going to jump into an article by Crypto Slate, which helps us kind of analyze what has happened since Terra Luna reached its all time low back on May 13th. Now, some of these numbers are absolutely bonkers. What we're seeing today, obviously, is some profit taking. It is kind of climbing up a little bit. We'll take a look at the charts, see where it's going. But keep this in mind. If you're making big gains, there's never a bad opportunity to take some money off the table. Treat yourself, pay yourself. You need to do it, especially in a bear market. Now, with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm just a talking head on YouTube, giving you my perspective, helping you make better decisions. If you want more of that, click the subscribe button down below right now. I mean, seriously, right now. Click the subscribe button. And let's get this video over 500 likes. Now, with that being said, let's dive in. Check out this headline. Terra Luna Classic continues astonishing comeback with 2,400% gains in the last 7 days. Now, if that's not astonishing enough, I'm going to give you a bigger number in terms of where we were back in May and then where we are now. It's pretty insane. So the price of LUNC has climbed a lot higher in the last week, but it's done a lot since May. Now, Terra Luna Classic continues climbing higher amid the plans to revive the chain and tempt investors back in. Since August 26th, LUNC spiked as high as the 3031 level. And in fact, I even saw the 3033 level, again, equating to more than a 2,400% gain in the past week. Now, check this out. This is ridiculous. Since Luna Classic's all-time low of 6099, 6099 on May 13th, the previously dead token is up an astonishing 27,000% in the middle of a bear market. Absolutely insane. And congratulations to everybody who maybe bought down in here and is really enjoying the huge gains right now. So if we scroll on down here, now, with billions lost in regulators circling, the development and governance were handed over to the community and rebranded as Luna Classic. But given the controversies, many investors remain weary, and I think they should be. And that's why it's so important to slowly take profits off the table. I mean, in my opinion, at least get your initial basis off the table and a little bit of profit. Then you've won the trade. You're in the green. You could sleep well at night. You don't have to sit there and scroll through your phone at 2 o'clock in the morning and wonder if you should be selling, right? That is something I definitely encourage you to do. Of course, you've got to make that own decision, but that's just my 2 cents. Now, what's in store next for Terra Luna? Well, at the center of this entire revival plan, right, is a generous staking mechanism, which actually went live back on the 27th of August. Now, the staking ratio was at 2.6% of the total supply on launch. However, the ratio continues to grow. According to LUNC staking underscore bot, the current ratio has almost tripled in the last 2 weeks, all the way up to 7.5%. Current staking rewards are around 37% per year, which is significantly more than Cardano's approximately, which is approximate 5% rate year over year. However, unsustainable yields were a factor in the original Terra ecosystem's demise. Keep that in mind. That's exactly why we got to this point and why the chain collapsed in the first place. Now, shout out to the community because they are driving this forward, and I love to see it. I love community-driven projects, and especially in crypto. He added that major exchanges, including Binance, this was Ducher, tweeting about kind of what's going on right now with this is Miles Ducher, an analyst. He's talking about what's going on. He said he added that major exchanges, including Binance and KuCoin, are rumored to support the token swap burn, which again will go live on September 12th. So Luna Classic will have something to talk about before the Ethereum merge. So as this story continues to unfold, I'll continue to bring you updates and insights into the goings on. And again, excited for everyone making huge gains. But there is always risk associated with investing. And I would argue a lot of risk in this particular asset. Now, let's take a look at the price because everybody wants to know that. We're down 6% in the last 24. And speaking of 24, that's exactly where we are in the price. Model here, 302462. We could see what's happened in the last 7 days. We screamed up the charts all the way up to the 3384 level at the peak. Came down last night, okay? And we got into this low range of the 2.2s, consolidated for a little bit. Now we're slowly building back up from here. So we'll see as more and more people slowly take profits along the way, which I believe is a good thing, in my opinion. And we'll see kind of where we go as we head into this weekend and into next week. The market cap right now is at 1.6 billion. Volume is down 20% right now, but still $1.4 billion of volume in the last 24 hours. Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for popping in. Appreciate it. Have a fantastic rest of your Friday. Let me know what you think about all this down below. Hit the like button. We need 500 likes on this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Thank you so much. Appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.